Hi, I'm Joel from Belle Property Cairns and welcome to my spring market update for Palm Cove 2021. We are still experiencing very similar market conditions as my previous market update. Property sales and growth remain incredibly strong for Palm Cove with very high buyer demand and stock levels still remaining very low in the suburb. We are still seeing interstate buyers really pushing the market in a positive direction for us. Median prices. The median house price has shown the biggest median increase in recent times, having gone from $627,000 to $800,000, up 27.6% in the last 2 rolling years, with much of this growth still happening in this year, 2021. I attribute this massive jump in median values to many higher value homes, especially in the $1 million plus sector, selling this past year. There have been 63 recorded home sales in Palm Cove in the last 12 months. The median apartment price has moved down from $321,000 to $315,000, minus 1.9% in the last 2 rolling years. This is just slightly down from my previous market update. I do attribute this once again to many lower value apartments under the $300K mark exchanging hands, 80 in the last year, rather than a legitimate decrease in value. By my calculations, I do believe the Palm Cove unit prices are up by about 10 to 15%. There have been 172 recorded apartment sales in Palm Cove in the last year. In Palm Cove, currently there are just 81 properties advertised for sale on realestate.com.au, 33 of which are listed as under offer. So that's 41% of all advertised properties in the suburb have been secured, either pending conditions or settlement. This is still super slim pickings for buyers, which is really contributing to increased competition around the actual available listings and therefore price growth overall. Where are the buyers coming from? Most of the buyers that are looking to invest or move to Palm Cove or the Cairns region, as always, mainly from Victoria, New South Wales, or just generally interstate. The continued impacts of COVID-19 are pushing these buyers to look at outside options, such as the Cairns region, for safe investment and alternative living to the big cities. Belle Property Cairns has sold 76 properties in Palm Cove over the last 12 months. Last year, there were 207 sales in Palm Cove total, so myself and the team are still selling around 40% of all properties in the suburb. Belle Property Cairns has achieved slightly over 200% more sales than our nearest competitor in the suburb, which means that we retain our market leader status in Palm Cove for another year. I would also like to extend a very warm welcome to Maddie Smith. Maddie Smith has stepped into the position of Business Relationship Manager and has now made this one-man show a team. I'm looking forward to being able to service my clients and contacts even better than before with Maddie's assistance. If you have been thinking of when a good time to sell your Palm Cove apartment might be, I do believe that now is probably the best market conditions that have presented in the last decade or so. Property prices are up significantly in a short period. On-market timeframes are super short and inquiry levels are still absolutely through the roof. Still, we're getting record inquiry levels at the moment, week on, week out. I certainly still have a lot of buyers reaching out to me for properties in the Beach Club, Mantra Amphora, Alamander, Drift, Sea Temple, and just generally any homes that are on the ocean side of the highway in Palm Cove. If you'd like to discuss the current value of your property or just talk through the market conditions in general, please feel free to reach out to me, your Palm Cove specialist, via phone or email. I'd certainly love to hear from you. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch my video. All the very best to you and your families. Until next time, thank you.